Welcome home. Every time we look inward, we come home to our beautiful self and inner landscape. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whichever feels best for you. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs and abdomen completely. Hold it for a moment, then exhale slowly through your mouth. Again, inhale, hold, exhale slowly through your mouth. One last time, inhale deeply, hold, exhale slowly. Beautiful. Allow each breath to guide you deeper into relaxation. Now, turn your attention inward. Notice the sensations in your body from head to toes. Acknowledge which area feels more open and which area feels more tight, without judgment. With each breath, visualize sending warmth and compassion to the areas of discomfort, allowing them to soften and release. Imagine a gentle light enveloping your body, providing comfort and nurturing your spirit. As you settle into this space, start noticing the warmth around your heart space. Breathing into that warm feeling, noticing a golden glow within you, radiating. The natural warmth and love we have within us, which is self-love. We can only give others what we have. We can only love and care about others when we love and care about ourselves. Picture yourself as a child, full of wonder and innocence. What would you say to that child? Perhaps words of encouragement, understanding, or love. Allow those feelings to wash over you now. Breathe in the warmth of self-acceptance. Exhale any self-doubt or fear. Embrace the idea that you are enough, just as you are. Your needs are met enough. You are safe enough. Remind yourself that your worth is inherent and not defined by external circumstances or opinions. As you breathe, affirm silently, I am worthy. I am deserving of love. Let these affirmations resonate within you, allowing them to replace any unhealthy self-talk. How can we be unattached to unhealthy self-talk, patterns, or people? In our lives, we often cling to unexamined beliefs, people, outcomes, or possessions, believing they define us or fulfill us. Picture these attachments as leaves floating on a creek. Notice how they drift gently along the water, carried by the current. You can choose to observe these leaves without grasping or holding on. They come and go, just as thoughts and feelings do. With each breath, practice letting go of these attachments. Inhale deeply, feeling the desire to cling to something. Hold that breath for a moment. Then, as you exhale, visualize releasing it into the stream. Feel the lightness in your chest as you let go. Recognizing that true freedom lies in non-attachment. Letting go is not about forgetting. It's about freeing yourself from the burden of holding on to past hurts, regrets, or fears. Picture these feelings as clouds in the sky. With each breath in, gather these clouds, acknowledging their presence. Then, as you exhale, imagine blowing them away, watching them drift off into the vastness of the sky. As you continue this process, remind yourself, I release what no longer serves me. Feel the weight lift from your shoulders. Embrace the clarity and space that comes with letting go. In this moment, know that you are creating room for new experiences, love, growth and abundance. Gradually, bring your awareness back to your breath. Take a few deep, grounding breaths. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. With this final one, inhale deep, hold, exhale through your mouth with a sigh. When you feel ready, gently wiggle your fingers and toes, and slowly open your eyes. Take a moment to reflect on your experience. What feels different in your body and mind? Carry the feelings of self-love, non-attachment, and the power of letting go with you throughout your day. Remember, you are deserving of love, and the journey of self-discovery is ongoing. Embrace it with gratitude, joy, and an open